Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit card expiration date on Atlas. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time with this at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log into your Atlas account, and you can do that on the Atlas website, or you can do so on the Atlas mobile app. Once you're logged into your account, you're going to select the credit card accounts that you want to set up a credit card expiration date change alert for. Now you're going to click on account alerts, and then you're going to select the credit card expiration date change alert options. Now you're going to need to review and customize the alert settings, and once that's done, confirm the account alert settings once more and review the alert preferences just to make sure everything is accurate and all that is set up accurately. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a credit card account alert for a change in credit card expiration date on Atlas. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys